Hello, I'm James Clark from the Department of Physiology at King's College London, and in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you as a member of staff or a student at King's College London can download and install a copy of Microsoft Office to use on your home or personal computer. On the screen you can see that I'm logged in to my Office 365 account, and I've done this by going to outlook.office.com and signing in using my King's credentials. Once I'm there, I can click on my avatar at the top right hand side. You may not have an avatar, it may just have your initials here, and click on it. This is your account manager. If you click on the bit underneath that says My Account, it'll then take you to a newer page which indicates all the details about your account, including your email address, phone number, etc. Down on the left hand side you have a menu, and towards the bottom you'll see the menu item that says Office Apps. If you click on this, you will then have the option to install Office 365 on your machine. Since I'm running on a Mac, it is telling me I need to download and install the Mac version of the software. If you're on a Windows PC, it'll give you the opportunity to download the Windows installation and give you instructions of which version of Windows you need to run this software. If you've previously installed Office on another computer, Microsoft will keep a log of this, and if you click on the down arrow next to the word Devices, you will see a list of the computers you've already signed in. If you wish to sign out on any of these computers, just click on the Sign Out button for that computer and your account will be removed from that computer. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel.